Welcome family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all. Went to CVS this morning and they got some good deals out there. There's some really good deals. I usually don't bring CVS all the time, but I decided to go ahead and bring you this deal right here. I did look around, and the Dow that is on sale, the body wash Dow, the men and the women, with the coupon, the buy one, get one free. It is actually, because I was looking at it and I scanned it in the store, the Dow is $6.49 regular in my store that I went to, and then with the 25% off made it, I think it was $4.87. But I tried to look because somebody else was buying the Dow, and it looks like if you got the digital coupon, it is taking off the $4.87, but if you got the paper, it's taking off the $5 and whatever the limit is that, they have on the paper that is taken off. Okay. So you might want to look at that, but everybody's store, I know everybody's prices are different, but the store that I was in, like I said, was $6.49 for the Dow body wash. Sorry, y'all. Dow body wash. And there is an extra 25%, you get not extra, but you get 25% off. So if you have a CRT for body wash or Dow, that will be great. That will be so good. Okay. First thing I did was the Optic White. The Optic White is when you buy two, you get a $5. I believe it's a $5. Yes, a $5 extra buck back. Okay. So I had on the app, there was 3. If you haven't used it yet, there is 3 off of 2 Colgate. Okay. So you have to scan it because not on all of the Colgate that is attaching, but it did attach to these Optic White. So I got this. And then also I had $1 off of one, which that was a manufacturer. I thought maybe it would have glitched too, but it did not glitch. Okay. But the $3 off of 2, they did come off. Okay. That $3, a second 3 off of 2 did glitch and it did come off, and I got my $5 extra buck back. Okay. So these are $3.99 a piece. I had $3 off of 2. Both of those came off, and I got my $5 extra buck back. Okay, so it made it free. If I had no, I'm sorry. Yeah, it did make it free. Made it free and a moneymaker. Okay, so I'll show y'all my extra bucks at the end. Okay, when I show you my receipt. All right. So then the next thing is the Oral-B. The Oral-B toothbrushes. They are $3.99. So I got 3. You can either get the toothbrushes or you can get the Crest toothpaste. I already had some more toothpaste, not enough toothpaste, but I just decided to get a whole lot of my toothbrushes up to par. Okay. So y'all seen that in my stockpile tour, which I will link that on my on this video so you can see and look at my stockpile tour, how much toothpaste I have. Okay. And I'm adding more. These Oral-B toothbrushes are, if you buy 3, they are $3.99. You buy 3, you get a $4 extra buck back. Then also I had $2 manufacturer coupon that came in the PMG. I had 3 of them. I used 2, and then I had 1 that was on the app. Okay. I used 2 manufacturing, then I used 1 digital that came on the app. So I went ahead and I purchased 3, and I got my $4 extra buck back. So I end up paying out of pocket really nothing because I had extra bucks that I rolled in. Okay, and I'll show you that also. The next thing, the Chere'er and the Brute deodorant is $2. And if you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck back. So I didn't want to do the Brute. I went ahead and got the Chere'er. So this was $2. I got my $2 extra buck back. So it made this free. Okay. The next thing, let me move this over here, is the Crest mouthwash. It's the 1 liter. The Crest mouthwash is $3.99. I had $1 off digital coupon that did attach and made this $2.99. So once I got the, because if you buy one, you get a $2 extra buck back. So it actually made this only 99 cents. Okay. 99 cents. You can't beat that with mouthwash because mouthwash sometimes don't be on sale that much. All right. So then the next thing was these Gillette Venus. Okay. The Gillette Venus is on sale when you buy 2, you get a $10 extra buck back. They are $9.99. Okay. And I had 2 $3 manufacturer coupons that actually came out of the P&G. Right. So I got that. And I got my $10 extra buck back. Yeah, I'm just jumping everywhere. Oh my goodness. But they are on sale for $9.99 a piece. Okay. So then the last thing is the Schick Intuition. You always want to scan these razors because some of the razors, I don't know if it's the color, the scent, some of the coupons scan for it. Some of the coupons don't scan for it. Okay. As far as in the app or anywhere. So you always want to actually try to scan the product in the app to see if these coupons, digital coupons attach. The Schick is, if you spend $15, you get a $5 extra buck back. They are $8.99 a piece. I had 2 $4 off manufacturer coupon that I printed off of coupons.com. And both of those scanned good. I had a $4 off of 20 razors coupon. So I did with the Schick and the Gillette. That came off. And then I got back my $5 extra buck. Okay. So y'all, after everything was totaled up, scanned, all my coupons scanned great, my subtotal out of pocket was $11.90. But y'all know I did not pay $11.90. Y'all know not unless I really have to. But as long as I've got my apps that I get money back on. So I actually, let's see, I wrote in, $20 in extra buck. Okay. And that's what I wrote in, $20 in extra buck. And like I said, my subtotal was $11.90. I had a Fetch gift card. If y'all don't know about Fetch, y'all need to get on Fetch because all you got to do is scan a receipt and you can get points. Okay. And those points add up. Then there's things to where you can purchase and get a lot of points. Okay. So, I had a $10 gift card, but I had used some of it on something. So I used $8.25 that went towards it. And then I paid $6.82. Yes, $6.82. So let me show you my receipt. Because y'all know the taxes, okay? Even though it was $11.90, my taxes, everybody's taxes is different, was $3.17. So y'all know we got to pay taxes. And I hate doing that, but sometimes it is what it is. So let me show you my receipt. All right, so there's the Chere'er. There's the toothbrushes. There's the Scope mouthwash. There's the Schick. There's the Colgate. And there is the Gillette. Then here is my coupons and also my digital coupons. There's my CRT. Then there's my extra bucks that I wrote in. Subtotal $11.90. You know, everybody's tax is different. There was my Fetch gift card for CVS. And then I paid out of pocket $6.82, which actually came off of my Cash App. Came off my Cash App, okay? So I actually paid from my pocket nothing, okay? Because I had gift cards. So let me show you. I had to cut it off because it was, that receipt was just, this receipt's just so long. All right, so here is my Scope mouthwash, the $2. The $10 for the Gillette. The $5 for the Schick. The $2 for the deodorant, which is the Sure. The $4 for the Oral-B toothbrushes. And the $5 for the Colgate. So, yeah, that one right here, moneymaker, okay? So, after all this was done, I was so happy. I was like, you know, I love CVS and I love the stores that I go to because some of my cashiers are so good. They take their time. They even ask me, is that it? Do you have any more coupons? And then once they give me my receipt, they always say, check your receipt. Make sure everything, you got all of your extra bucks that's supposed to come back to you. And I'm like, yes, thank you. Okay. So this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by Miss Nanda's channel.